Okay, here we go, another short question for the exam. That's not worth very many marks. So let's have a quick look at solving it. Calculate the time in days for £3,000 to accumulate to £3,800. So we've got a simple rate of interest of 4% per annum. So part A, we have 3,000, we keep it, we got our 4% times some time period, which will be some days, 365 days in a year, and that's going to give us 3,800. Let's try and work out what D will be equal to. So I'll just bring Excel over here and say we have 3,800 divided by 3,000, well then minus 1, and then what are we going to do? We're going to take this amount and we're going to times it by 365 and divide it by, the interest rate, 0.04. And that's going to give us 2,433.33 days. So that's a lot of days. And so in order to get to that amount, in fact, I would round upwards, even though, and I would explain why I'm rounding upwards, because you otherwise, if it weren't that extra third of a day, you wouldn't have £3,800. Though some would argue that it's quite negligible in this case. So now let's have a quick look at part B. Part B says a compound rate of interest of 4% per annum effectively. So that seems pretty okay. We're going to see here, it'll be 1 plus the interest rate, so 1.04. So we're compounding it some amount of days out of 365, and it's going to turn into 3,800, and it wants to know what's D going to be equal to. So we're going to divide everything by 3,000, and then we can take the log of both sides, and we can plug it, so it'll be D, 365 log 1.04 equals the log of 3,800 over 3,000 right there, and then we'll times everything by, and then over here, so D is going to be equal to this log of 3,800 divided by 3,000 divided by this log of 1 plus the interest rate, and then we'll times everything by 365. So therefore D is going to be equal to some value, and it's just interesting that they've left the interest rate the same, so I think I'm trying to prove something over here. So let's just have a quick look and see what we get. So we get log of 3,800 divided by 3,000 divided by log of 1 plus the interest rate, and then we'll times that by 365. Gives us 2,200 days, roughly. Okay, so that's pretty close. I mean, that's 230 something days that are not needed thanks to compounding. So I think that's what I was trying to show its effect. We're earning interest upon interest, which is pretty useful. So that's the answer to both questions. Thank you for watching.